For the buried installation system, we have the single and the double recessed installation clip.
Fitting conduit is no longer a chore. The automatic buried clamp is unique. Drilling holes into a brick wall is made easy by the lance drill. Many professionals have seen it at Schnabl for the first time and are still amazed at what it can do. Support anchors and locking terrace anchors also hold bulky bundles of cables easily in the wall. Schnabl buried installation, no plastering required. Compared to conventional methods, Schnabl saves you up to 60% of your working time.